Hi guys, welcome back to Thrifty Mama Scraps. So I wasn't going to film a video this morning because I have homework to do, but I did get the Elle Studio for April in the mail this morning, so I thought that I would just film it real quick and so I can show you what's in it. We got a card that says April highlights. This is just a thank you card. And let me open this quickly. I think I pay like I think it's like $12 for this kit every month. And I think why I like this, why I continue getting this kit month after month is because it is inexpensive. And I really like how vibrant their colors are. It also gives me a variety of labels and like journaling boxes and things like that that I can use. And like they always have, it always includes like 2 sheets of poke out pieces, and usually there's some like sentiments that say like this banner says, loving this, here and now, today was a good day, one of the best adventures, favorite photographs, so much fun. So they're very versatile. And even though they're like tailored for the month, most of the time they are, most of the time you can use them like anytime. It's or for any layout. I mean, it's not specific other than like the ones that pertain to a holiday, but most of the time they're just very versatile and you can just use them on anything. Capture and document, PM, AM, my favorite kind of day, let's go. So I really like the vibrant colors in Elle Studio, the Elle Studio kit. I like the price point. And I also like their add-on pieces. They have a lot of like unique pieces that are very colorful and unique that many other companies don't offer. I really like their enamel dots and their enamel shapes. They have a lot of variety and color choices. Their puffy stickers, love them. It's probably my favorite place to get like puffy stickers. And what else? And they usually have like acrylic shapes that are unique as well. And they usually have like sheets of chipboard every once in a while. Stamps, they have stamps that are pretty reasonably priced. But the kit that I get every month is only $12.95, I think, which I think is worth it for what you get. So, you usually get 2 large cards. So this is one that's, got like a plaid look to it. And this one could be cut apart or left whole. It just says, remember these special moments. I'll actually probably cut that one up. Because I have like a couple scrapbooks that I need to do that are like pocket pages. And I actually enjoy doing pocket scrapbooking every once in a while. But I like to intermix them. Like I will, in a scrapbook, I'll intermix like page protectors that are 12 by 12 with pocket pages. And I just like the combination of both in one album. I just think it's fun and unique. So, this one has a camera on it. Let's see. These are all the smaller cards. Love this day, not my day. the story behind this photo. Grow and bloom. See how vibrant the green is? The colors are just so vibrant. I think that's one thing that draws me to this company. And there's a floral and yellow pluses. A fun adventure today. Just a bunch of stripes. A light blue with white hearts. I really like that one. This is multicolored. Look, reminds me of confetti. Always have hope. This one could be cut apart or left whole. It's just 3 different colors with hearts. What you doing, Scooby? Am I taking your spot? This couch I'm sitting on is the dog couch. It's going to go in the dining room, but we call it the dog couch because this is the couch that the dogs like lay on, sleep on. Just, it's starting to get in rough shape. I might just get rid of it. I don't know. I like it. I love the plaid. I am totally plaid. If you see it, like, I really like the red, white, and blue plaid, but the dogs have like if you look at the corner there, there's like a little hole. I mean, I could fix it, but it's from the dogs. So, photograph details. So the dogs don't like it very much when I take their spot, but too bad. This one is, this reminds me of like, music, paper. So you could put like music notes on here. That's actually a good idea. I know how to, read music, so I could like, and I know my notes, so I could like create a little song and like put the notes of the song on there. Favorite photograph. This one just says notes and a date. This one says, this was so good, once was enough. That's cute. Here's another large one. I guess there were 3 large ones. And this one's just stripes. And that's it. It's just a rather small kit, but it's enough, like, every month. And like I said, it's affordable. I really like the kit. It's probably the kit that I've kept going, like the subscription that I've kept going with, like, for the longest period of time, just because it's so reasonably priced, and it just allows you to get a little bit of Happy Mail every month. And for $12, I mean, you can't even go to McDonald's hardly for $12. So, so this was just a really short video so I could show you my goodies that I got in the mail this morning. But I thank y'all for watching, and if you're looking for a subscription to just kind of start out and like that's reasonably priced, check out Elle Studio. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.